Hey guys, sim racing YouTuber Jimmy Broadbent today, and as you can see by my very fashionable t-shirt, I am at the DriveTribe offices today. The reason why I'm here is because DriveTribe have partnered with Renault for the launch of the new Megane RS. Now luckily for you guys and for me as a sim racer, Renault is integrated within Project Cars 2, which means that we're going to be bringing you a short series of hot laps in Project Cars 2, showing you some of the best Renault cars that the game has to offer. Right then, so here we are for the first of our laps in the Renault Clio Cup car, a series in UK motorsport which has been around as long as I have, 1991, coming through clearways then to start our lap. Be a lot more difficult on the fast lap for they'll be pushing very hard up into fifth gear, coming across the start finish line now up to Paddock Hill Bend, one of the most difficult corners in Britain. Down to fourth gear, bring it to the inside. It's about a two-storey drop here in real life. You don't quite see it in the game as much as you do in real life, but still very tricky nonetheless. Now up to Druids, using the front-wheel drive here of this Renault Clio just to get it round. Always got to have some throttle on in this car. That is the trick to driving a front-wheel drive car. You can see the rear tyres there. If you look to the bottom right of your screen, not quite getting up to temperature, but we're dealing with it okay. Coming down this short straight now before again braking in the straight line, turning nice and late on the power. Third gear, this is where you want a bit more power. This inline four-cylinder engine produces 220 brake horsepower, which is not bad for a car that weighs just under a ton, but you always want a bit more when you come to the straights. So down Pilgrim's Drop now, up to Hawthorns, fifth gear, nice and soft for here. Going to actually take fourth gear, running out of revs a little bit there. Right to the outside, just touching the curb there, just showing you how scary this thing can be if you get the rear loose. Of course, everything is based around the front end of this car. The rear end is pretty much just attached to it, so you can call it a car. So it's got four wheels. Now for a sheen. Touch the curb again, almost up onto two wheels through there. You can quite easily get the car up on two wheels if you aren't careful. Second to last corner now, you can see the car getting nice and sideways. Just save it with the throttle, that front wheel drive throttle save trick. Clearways as we bang it in fourth gear. There you go. Nice and tidy out of there, and that is a hot lap in the Renault Clio Cup here at the Brands Hatch GP circuit. The time, a 1:41.993.